You better make it, boy. Oh! Yeah! Cheese, boy!
Wow.
I've had a good chuckle over that one. I'm coming after you.
Fuck you! Is that all?
Guys, you'll never believe. I just seen somebody fall and eat shit in that concrete. Fucking idiot, dude.
Yes. Yes.
Good morning, Glenn!
You tell us something your mum doesn't know. Yeah.
These? Deets nuts. Deets are Martin. Deets nuts. Those are nuts. Deets nuts are nuts. Deets nuts are meat nuts. Those are meat nuts. Meat nuts. They're Deets nuts. You want those? Go ahead. Grab a handful of Deets nuts. Get a good grip in there. Hey, Chris. How Deets nuts taste? Are they delicious? What a fun.
Run.
What's your name? What? What is your name? Tony! Fuck you, Tony! What's your name? Ezekiel! Fuck you, Ezekiel! Fuck you! Fuck you! Hey, you know what I did last night? You better not bring my mother into this! You know what I did? You better not! I put that fly over there! Oh! Then I fucked your mother next to it! Fuck you, Ezekiel! Fuck you!
Almost ready?
Hold on now. Girls gotta take her time getting pretty. You think all this was an accident?
Yes, you were.
Emotional, damn it!